This is Twit.
I don't know what this is, but it's magical.
Ooh. It's a phone with a hole in it. You know,
it's a phone with a hole in it. Oh, you spoiled it for me. Dang it. Okay. I didn't expect my S10 to come today, so just curious, can you tell the difference?
Yeah, one of them's taller.
That's the Note 9.
Does one have a hole in it?
That's the S10.
One doesn't?
Yeah, I mean, it looks like the one on the right does not has sensors at the top of the screen. So are there sensors at the top of the S10? Are they just not visible? Maybe I'm just not seeing them. Yeah, it looks really clean up there.
There's the hole punch.
I mean, obviously you have the you have the hole, but aside from that, like that's the whole.
Yeah, it goes all the way. Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is the ceramic back because, hey, I'm worth it.
What's the hole for? I've missed this whole part.
Oh, this is the new thing. So many phones, as you're probably aware, have opted for a notch.
Yes, I have one with a huge notch.
I was going to say, yeah, she's all too well aware, Leo.
So Samsung is blazing a new path with a hole punch for the two cameras.
Yeah, I think it looks great. I think this is much better than a notch.
Well, I'm going to turn it on. And, of course, all the wallpaper carefully make it dark over in this corner. So
it isn't an actual hole all the way through, or is it?
It is.
It is.
Yeah, it's a hole in the glass.
And then there's also...
what can you put in there? Anything?
No. Oh, you mean like, is it a hole? Like, is it dug in? No. It's not.
Oh, it's a camera.
I was thinking, keychain. Nice.
No, it's right.
It's not that kind of hole.
It's not for earrings. It's for...
It's a hole in the screen. Here, you can see it now. This is a good way to see it. See that?
Oh,
they can't display anything in that area because the screen is cut out.
Just like the notch thing, except more tasteful.
Yeah. Well, maybe.
Yeah, I think so.
That's a good idea, though. If we could put a hole in there, I could put this on my keychain. So the funny thing about this is this has a terabyte of storage, 12 gigs of RAM. I mean, it's basically a little, pocket computer.
Yeah.
So, I don't know if this is a screen protector or...
but I'm peeling it off.
Protective plastic. I don't like it.
Whatever it is, it's coming off.
I don't like it. All right, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to derail the conversation.
It's okay.
Ooh, buds from AKG. And I got, a free earbud for ordering it before anybody had a chance to review it. That's your reward. These are good headphones, though. They pack pretty good headphones in there.